Hey kiddos, Mrs. Bernal again. So we're looking at now section 13.3 in your textbooks. You guys were to do practice for finding the area of a circle. It was on page 568 and 1 through 12. So I just want to go over the answers with you now. So I'm going to get out of there. All right, so looking at the first two, it's just vocabulary and concept check, right? So explain how to find the area of a circle given its diameter. You'd have to first find the radius and then use the formula. So that's that there. All right, and then number two, which one is different? Which one is different? So the question is, what is the area of a circle with a radius of 100 centimeters is different? The circles in the other three questions would all have diameters of 100 centimeters. So let's see here. Which one is different? I don't see the answer really here. Ah, okay, I got it now. Sorry, taking me a little bit longer. Okay, so the radius of one of them is 100 and the other one's the diameter is 100. Okay, that makes sense. So that one is the one that's different, the radius of 100 centimeters. And I don't even see that in the problem though. Oh yeah, it is. It would be the second box on the left-hand side. All right, so that one is different. Okay, number three, finding the area of that circle with 9 millimeters as the radius. And if you are using the pi button on your calculator, or you're using 3.14, or you're using 22/7, you all will get slightly different answers. So when it says the area is about 254.34 square millimeters, that's what that means, right? There's always different approximations that people might be using. Even when you use 3.1415, you're going to get a little bit different number. So if it's very close to that number, we're going to call it good, okay? So don't go back and say, oh, I did it wrong because I used the pi button, or I didn't use the pi button, okay? Don't fret about that. All right, again, remember, pause and stop this as often as you need to so you can get all your your questions answered. All right, number four, so 616 square centimeters is the area of the circle. Number five, the area is 314 square inches. Number six, you should have gotten 7.065 square inches. Number seven, 3.14 centimeters squared. Number eight, 1.76625. If you rounded it to 1.77, that would be fine too. All right, number nine, the area is about 2,461.76 square millimeters. And number 10, 78.5 square feet. You have two more, 11 and 12. So 11, you have to find the radius first, which is 6 inches. And then the area of the tortilla is about 113.04 square inches. And then we're talking about the two different lighthouses. Hillsborough Lighthouse is 2,461.76. The Juniper Inlet Lighthouse, the area is 1,017.36. When you find the difference of the two areas, it's 1,444.4. So the Hillsborough lights up about 1,444.4 more square miles than the Juniper Inlet Lighthouse. All right, so those are the answers 1 through 12 from page 568. If you have any questions, please just email me. And if not, keep doing what you're doing. Hang in there, and you guys are doing great. Next week, I want to talk about the semicircles, finding the perimeter of semicircles and the area of semicircles, and also taking a look at the perimeter an area of compound figures, or not compound figures, I'm sorry, composite figures. Okay, so that's where we're headed next week. I'm going to cancel the Zoom for this Friday. I think kids are Zoomed out. So I'll give you a break from that. But you guys have a great week and talk to you soon.